Hi, how do you generate attendance report okay, for your students? Just come straight to the dashboard area over here. You're going to find the report menu over here. Just click on that and then just move down a bit. You're going to find the attendance report tab over here. Just click on that, and then from here you can select the attendance type. Okay, let's say you want to know the number of students present in a particular class. On the particular day you click present. If you want to know those who were present but with excuse, okay, it means they came late, then you click here. If you want to know those who are presently late, you click here. Those who are absent and those who are on vacation, okay, or maybe they were sick and they couldn't come to school, you're going to click leave over here. Let's say you want to know those who are present on a particular day. Select the class of students. Let me select this, and then it will bring out these different sections under this particular class. So this class has three sections. Okay, A level class A, level class B, and A level class C. Okay, let me say I'm working on class A. So select the date. Okay, you want the attendance report. Let's say I'm selecting on the 15th, on the 18th of October. Okay, just click on that. Let's say now. So it's bringing out three students over here. So these three students were present on this day, 18th of October. Do you get it now? Let's try on the 19th. Are they present as well? No. So on the 19th, none of them were present in school. So let me change this one to absent and see if that will bring them out for that day. So it doesn't bring them out again. Let me see, maybe they were late. Present with excuse. Let me click on that. Yeah. So they were actually late that day, but with excuse. Do you get it now? So late present with excuse on the 19th of October. You can convert to PDF, you can convert to spreadsheet, you can send that email, and you can print this page if you want. Do you get it now? So this is how to generate comprehensive results per day to know those students who are actually present or who are absent from schools. Do you get it now? Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.